Hi guys, this is Abdul Karim. Today we will learn about future perfect tense. Last time we talked about future continuous. Before that we discussed about future simple tense where I tried my best to make you understand where to use both of them. I hope you have got my point of view, but if still you are facing any problem you may send message to me. I'll try my best to answer you properly, accordingly and timely. While receiving your questions, I have got one question today which is I am gonna share with you guys in this video, that where to use who and where to use whom and what's the difference between them. Additionally, I am going to share about that. Let's talk about future perfect tense. But before moving towards the topic, you are requested to please subscribe my channel, share my video, like my video and watch till the end. Future perfect tense. Its structure is subject, will, have, verb third form and then object. For interrogative, we need to place will before subject. For negative, we need to add not with will. Subject is a doer and where the work is being done, it is called an object. I repeat, subject is a doer, where the work is being done, it is called an object. Right now I am focusing a lot on subject and object because it is so much related to who and whom concept. Now where to use it? Two types of usage are used a lot of future perfect tense. The first one is the action or whatever the situation is completed in future before a specific time. The other one, the second one is that any action or any situation is completed in future before another action. Yes. For example, my friend is offering me to go outside tomorrow by 9 a.m. I am refusing him by saying there is no need to come tomorrow because I will have gone to my office by 9 a.m. See, one action is being completed in future before specific time, which is 9 a.m. tomorrow. Another example, I will have completed my degree by next year, or I will have moved to Karachi by next year. These all are the example of any action which is completed in future before a specific time. Another example, I will have cooked my food by tomorrow 9 p.m. So you may come and join us. Okay. The second one is that, for example, if I say before you come I will have gone, or before you join me I will have completed my work, or before you cook food I will have eaten my food, means one action is completed in future before another action. Okay, these all are the example. Concept of who and whom. Where to use who and where to use whom. Whenever you talk about subject, the doer, there we talk about who. Yes, simply it is. Whenever you talk about object, where the work is being done, we talk about whom. Okay, for example, I know Zafar who works very hard. Here Zafar is the subject who is doing something, means he is working very hard. Zafar is a doer, therefore I am using who. But if I say I know Zafar whom is admired a lot by the people. Here Zafar is an object where the work is being done by the people. Okay, he is receiving an action. Another example, I know Zafar who is agreed a lot by the people. Again, Zafar is standing at the receiving end and he is an object. People are working on him. This is the reason, that is the difference I am telling you right now. Whenever you talk about who, means you are talking about subject. Whenever you talk about whom, means you are talking about an object. I hope you have liked my video, you have got my point of view. If still you are facing any problem, you may send message to me. I'll try my best to answer you accordingly, properly and timely. Wait for the next video which is about to come. we're about to complete our active voice series, and inshallah we'll definitely move toward the passive voice series, and then we will discuss something new additionally. Okay, take care, bye, Allah Hafiz.